How to add stocks to watchlist on Robinhood. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize that. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Here you'll be able to find different stocks. Now slowly scroll down. So here there's a section of watchlist. Basically these are the stocks that are in list. Now in order to add a new one, here on the top tap on add to watchlist. Here select the company that you want to add. So here I'm searching for one, and after you do that it will pop up. Now after searching for it, simply tap on the company which you want to add. So here I'm tapping on one. On the right top you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon and it has been added. So the stock has been added. Now you can simply go back and refresh your home page. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.